falling in love with yourself. Hello, friends. This is Yundel. This is just a share, a reminder to each and every one of us that love is the greatest thing of all. When you fall in love, there's nothing that brings a smile to your face faster than you know you are loved. It is a confidence booster like none other when you truly feel the warmth of being loved. Not the sappy, superficial kind of fakeness that people use when they want something, but rather the real, meaningful, honest, unselfish kind of love. Somehow, just knowing that someone loves you unconditionally, just the way you are, helps your self-esteem and gives you the courage to believe in yourself. And of course, you would never want that special person who loves you to ever lose their faith in you. So that when helps, you strive harder to be a person that believe you want to be. You can't help but love them in return. Loving yourself is about embracing yourself of who you are. Many times I am sharing with you to love yourself to the fullest. God, who loves you unconditionally, is always there for you, for He is working in our life every day. It is the same when you fall in love with Jesus. You want to live up to His expectation and never let Him down. And the more you understand His deep and abiding love, you just can't help to love Him even more. And that is a huge thing you can help with yourself. I am sharing with you some verses how to really fall in love. John 15:13. Greater love hath no man than this, that a man lay down his life for his friends. Thessalonians 3:12. And the Lord make you to increase and abound in love one toward another, and toward all men, even as we do toward you. Psalms 33:18. Behold, the eye of the Lord is upon them that fear Him, upon them that hope is His mercy. 1 John 4:18. There is no fear in love, but perfect love casts all fear. Therefore, I am sharing with you how to fully in love with yourself. Because when you fall in love with yourself, you don't feel fear. You don't worry. You trust yourself, and you have a strong self-confidence that no matter what, everything is well with you, because you believe and trust in yourself, because you believe in love, because you understand that there is no fear in love, but perfect love casts out fear. So therefore, I am sharing with you that when you truly fall in love with yourself, everything becomes easier to handle. Even you're struggling. Why? Because love is a self-confidence booster. It will boost your energy. It will boost your confidence. It will boost your faith and believe in yourself. Because each and every one of us has given this feeling for us to use as a tool to survive in our life journey. As it says, behold, the eyes of the Lord is upon them that fear him, upon that hope in his mercy. This is just really a share, a reminder of there's no greater love hath no man than this, that a man lay down his life for his friends. Love yourself fully first before you can love others. This is Yundel. Thank you for listening. Thank you for stopping here in my channel. I am very grateful to each and every one of you supporting me here. Your time here is deeply appreciated. I love you all and bye-bye.